Today's lesson is multiplying fractions. Our goal is that we can multiply fractions. The product of two or more fractions is the product of the numerators over the product of the denominators. As always, please remember to pause or rewind as necessary. So, 3/8 times 1/5 is equal to 3 times 1 over 8 times 5, which is equal to 3/40. Basically, the top times the top and the bottom times the bottom. On your own, you're going to do 1/3 times 5/6. You get 5/18. 5/7 times 2/3. You get 10/21. To simplify before you multiply, do 3/5 times 200. You rewrite 200 as a fraction with 1 as the denominator. You're going to look at each numerator to see if it can be simplified with either denominator. So hopefully you see when you look at these that 5 and 200 both have a factor of 5. So you can divide them by 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 200 divided by 5 is 40. So now when I multiply, I guess first I rewrite, and I get 3/1 times 40/1. And when I multiply them out, I get 120/1, or just 120. All right, so on your own, 8/1 times. So you get 8/1 times 3/4. Hopefully you see that both 4 and 8 have a factor of 4 in them. So simplify, you get 2 when you divide and a 1. So you get 2/1 times 3/1. You multiply and you get 6. Here I can see I've got a 5 and 10. Both have a factor of 5. I get a 1 and a 2 here. And these both have a factor of 3. So I get a 1 and a 7. So when I rewrite my problem, I have 1/1 times 2/7, giving me an answer of 2/7. Multiplying mixed numbers. 5 1/4 times 4 2/3. I convert each mixed number to an improper fraction. Hopefully you remember that you do 5 times 4 plus 1. So 5 times 4 plus 1. Whole number times denominator plus numerator. And then 4 times 3 plus 2. So I get 21/4 times 14/3. Use what was taught on the previous slides to multiply the fractions. So we're going to go ahead, I'm just going to do it right here. 4 and 14 both have a factor of 2, so I get 2 and 7. 21 and 3 both have a factor of 3. So I have 7 and 1. So I'm going to rewrite them. 7/2 times 7/1. Okay, so we do 7 times 7 is 49/2. And Unless you're told to change it to a mixed number, I'm okay with leaving it this way. So we'll do both. 49 over 2 is an okay answer, or you can do how many, you can divide. You would get 24 and 1/2, because 49 divided by 2. All right. So go ahead and work this. 4 times 5 plus 4, we get 24 fifths. And you guys, of course, I hope know, pause this at this point, work these out on your own before you will follow with me, unless you just really don't know what to do yet, which I hope you're not at that point. 1 times 9 plus 1 is 10 over 9. I always like to use a different color so you guys can see what I'm doing. Dividing both of these by 5, so I'm left with 1 and 2 here. And dividing both of these by 3. Let's see. Sorry, interruption of something popping up on my computer. So 3 and 8. So we'll rewrite this as 8 over 1 times 2 over 3, and I get 16 over 3. And again, unless you're given specific instructions, I'm okay with this or this, the mixed, as you prefer. This would be 5 and 1/3. Okay, and the next one, 7 times 2 plus 1 is 15 over 2, times 2 times 5 plus 2 is 12 over 5. And again, we do our cross canceling. 2 and 12 both have a 2 in common. And 5 and 15 have a 5 in common. So we are left with 3 over 1 times 6 over 1, giving us 18 as our final. All right, that is all. Again, feel free to pause, go back, rewind, anything you need, bring any questions to class next time, and I hope you enjoyed your lesson.